Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to tell you 5 things to turn off in privacy settings to secure your Apple device. So guys, if you want to secure your Apple device, here I will give you 5 settings in privacy settings to turn them off. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings and then go to VPN and turn off the toggle for VPN if it is on. So guys, simply turn it off, and after this scroll it below, and then you have to go to privacy and security, tap on location services, and from here you have to simply allow your location services for your trusted apps. So guys, here you can see different apps. You have to simply allow your location services to the trusted apps on your iPhone. So guys, the third setting is that you have to simply go back and go to tracking, and from here you have to simply allow tracking to your trusted apps as well. So guys, here you can see all of your apps. You have to simply allow or give the tracking access to your trusted devices. So guys, after this, go back and now scroll it below and then go to passkeys access, and from here turn off or don't give passkey access to all of your web browsers. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now go to wallet, and from here you have to simply make sure that you have not given the access to all of the apps to use your wallet. So guys, after this go back, and after this you have to scroll it below, and then you have to go to stolen device protection, and from here if it is on you have to simply turn it off. So guys, do this, and after this your iPhone will be secure and you can use it very easily. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.